Welcome to Stillara Studios, guided meditation session. Thank you for joining this moment of peace and stillness. If you're new here, we gently invite you to like, subscribe, and share this video if it brings you calm and clarity. Your support helps us create more healing experiences for others around the world. Now let's begin. If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, you are not alone. There was a time in my life when anxiety felt like a never-ending tide, rising without warning and pulling me away from peace. I searched for answers. I tried many things, and slowly I discovered the healing rhythm of breathwork. Not just any breathwork, but one inspired by the waves of the ocean. Recent studies have shown how breathwork can regulate the nervous system. It lowers stress hormones. It increases heart rate variability. It helps us regain a sense of control. Breathing deeply, rhythmically, with awareness, this is more than calming. It is deeply healing. Ocean breathwork connects us to nature's most powerful rhythm, the ocean's ebb and flow. It's this rhythm we'll follow today. So find a quiet space. Settle in. Let's begin this journey together. As we begin, take a moment to notice the sound of the ocean gently rolling in the background. Ocean waves have a natural pattern, a rhythm that speaks to something deep inside us. Scientists have found that the sound of the sea can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. It slows the heart rate. It invites the body to relax and feel safe. Imagine now that you are sitting on a quiet beach. The sand is soft beneath you. The breeze is cool and refreshing. The waves are gentle, rolling in and rolling out. With each breath, you begin to match the ocean's flow. Now, let's begin the breathwork. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Let the breath rise like a wave. Hold it gently at the top. Now exhale through your mouth. Let the breath fall like a wave returning to the sea. Feel the release. Let's try that again. Inhale slowly. Hold. Exhale gently. Let's try that again. Inhale slowly. Hold. Exhale gently. Feel the rhythm. You are breathing with the ocean. Inhale, let it rise. Hold for a moment. Exhale, let it go. Imagine the tide gently brushing against the shore. Each breath is a wave, rising, falling, calm, peaceful, let your breath be smooth and steady. No need to force. Just allow. You are on the shore. You are safe. The ocean is here to support you. Let every inhale fill you with calm. Let every exhale release tension. Breathe in. Breathe out. As you breathe, imagine the salty air brushing against your skin. Hear the waves. Feel the sand beneath you. Let the scenery support you. Now we'll go a little deeper. Bring your attention to move your body. Notice the air entering your nostrils. Feel your chest gently rise. Feel your belly expand. Feel your shoulders drop as you exhale. You are becoming more aware. More connected. Visualize the ocean now, not just its surface, but its depth. Imagine looking out over an endless horizon. The vastness, the space, there is room for everything you feel. If any emotion arises, anxiety, fear, even restlessness, greet it gently. Let it rise like a wave. Let it fall again. You are simply observing. Nothing to fix. to control. Only breath. Only ocean. With every exhale, you let go a little more. With every inhale, you invite peace. Let your breath carry you deeper. Let the ocean hold you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay with this rhythm. Let the calm grow stronger. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Keep your breath gentle and steady. Let's take one last deep breath in. And exhale fully. Take a moment of silence to absorb the calm you've created. Know that this peace is always within you. Whenever anxiety returns, your breath is your anchor. The ocean is always there in your mind, ready to calm the waves. As you return to your day, consider weaving ocean breathwork into your routine. Just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Consistency brings change. Gentleness brings healing. Thank you for sharing this moment with us at Stillora Studio. If this meditation supported you, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who may need it. You're not alone on this journey. We are building a peaceful community together. Until next time, may you breathe with ease. And may your inner ocean stay calm and wide.